And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Live look outside, no storms at all right now, blue sky, and it actually looks really nice from inside. It is a little more humid out there today. Dew points coming up, and we expect it to be more humid today and for tomorrow. We're not quite hot yet. That happens tomorrow when we have a chance to hit 90. But today, a lot of low to mid 80s away from the beaches, upper 70s at the coast, but it feels a little warmer than that. Tiffany and I were talking about that before the show. She said, it's only 83 outside. It feels so much hotter. Nick even said that to me on the way in as well. And that's because that humidity, the dew points being up there, makes it feel a little bit warmer than the actual air temperature. Winds are again out of the southwest and kind of gusty too, 10 to 20 miles an hour, gust to 25, 30. And it's ushering in all that humid air mass, and it's with us for today and for tomorrow. Mid to upper 60 dew points will likely push 70 tomorrow. And when we take the temperature up tomorrow, got that combination of hot and humid for one day only. In the meanwhile, while we're tracking the humidity, we're also tracking some thunderstorms, but we are here, and the watches are here in New Hampshire, Vermont, and eastern New York. Where you see the orange boxes, some of the storms have gone severe with large hail and damaging winds. But this is where the watch box is, and we are down here in southern New England. So right now, it's just gorgeous outside in terms of sky conditions. Where are the storms? Well, here they are, tracking through like areas just north of Bennington, New Hampshire, and areas into portions of New Hampshire. All this tracking eventually to the east. Now, what you see here is the leading edge of the storms kind of right about here. So if they continue that eastward movement, where do they end up? Along the north locations in the Mass Pike. They don't really make it all the way into Rhode Island and southeastern Mass. So where we would look for our storms is if we could get some development right about here. And right now, there's not much happening. So we'll keep an eye on it. We're tracking it here at ABC6. If we pop a storm or two, it would be about 7, 8, maybe even 9 o'clock. But right now, it looks like the core of the storms will stay out of our viewing area. Any rain that we could get would be nice, but it looks like most areas will stay dry. And we'll stay dry tomorrow. Hot, humid, sunny. Biggest question tomorrow, can we hit 90 at TF Green? I still think we're going to go 89. Tiffany Murphy thinks we're going to go 91. Many of you think we're going to go 94 or 95. All right, we'll see who's right. 80s beaches tomorrow, 80 to 85, close to 90 inland. Certainly a beach day. Hot, humid tomorrow. Southeastern Mass, a lot of 80s to near 90 degrees, unless you're going to the Cape and Islands, low to mid 80s. So let's track those storms. Futurecast, here they are off to our north and west. I just showed you them on the radar, right? They inch a little bit closer. You start to see the area expand at 7 p.m., but where are they? North Shore, southern New Hampshire, back into areas like Worcester. Where's Rhode Island? Where's southeastern Mass? South of that main line. Now, where we could maybe pick up a quick little storm, here's one right about New London County, about 7, but that one fizzles out. Where's the main action by 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock? Still to our north. By midnight, still to our north. By 1 a.m., all gone. Everything's done. So Wednesday, you wake up after some fog in the morning, sunshine, it gets hot in the afternoon, and then another round of rain. And I like the second chance of rain this week better. Wednesday night into Thursday morning, a few spotty showers, and then another chance of storms will fire up in the afternoon on Thursday. And I think that may be the better chance that we can get some rain before we get to the weekend, which will be nice because we need it. And we know that it's going to heat up and get more humid once again for the weekend after a little break in the action for Thursday and Friday, at least in terms of heat and humidity. And then another real good chance of rain comes in for early next week on Monday and Tuesday. Hot and humid, near 90. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff.